Bermato. Bermato, pinasa number 11 Yer, pinasa number 23, back to Yer, for 2, no good. Nakuha ni number 35, Kuya Do, pinasa number 40, number 40, Huligan. Foul. Foul number 18. First personal foul, boys team foul. Number 7, Padilla. Padilla, pinasa by number 23. Sumide step, pinasa number 7. Number 25, Further, magmamadali po yung trote na to. 7, pinasa number 11. Number 11, pull up J. Basket. Number 7, Bermato. Pull up J. Wala. Rebound, the number. Di ko makita. 35, Kuya Do, kayo na yan. Awal number 23, Mendoza. Pinasa ka number 11. Wala. Foul. Foul number 50. Number 15, dapat ka na. Second team foul. Number 15, third personal foul. Second team foul. 7 minutes and 15 seconds on a Sunday. Number 14, Faith, 10 seconds to shoot. Lazy rin. 15, Huligan. 18, pinasa number Kuya Do. Easy to para number 15. 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Sub. Substitution. Number 1, Diso. Pinasa number 7, Bermato. Back to number 1, Felix. Number 1. Pinasa number 15. Easy to para ahead. Number 24 for 3. Foul number 30. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus shot tayo para kay Mer. 64-84, 20 mo ang alaman ng Arjima. Sinibot. Dito sa Floyd Kyler, 0-9-8-4-3, no good. Whoa, what a shot by number. Pinasa ka number 24. Oh no, mainit yan, wala. Outside rope, wala. Grabe. The fundamentals. Number 1. Grabe. Sabar. 4 minutes and 43 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Wow, looks for it. Foul number 30. Pasok ka ba sa labas? Third personal foul, third team foul. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Bonus shot ka para number 7, Bermato. Baik, tidak kalamangan. Oras tayo for condition 30 seconds. Ayun, kabila na. Number 19, Ginagambala. Pass to number 30. 10 seconds, shot clock. Number 11, Ner. Sinang. Number 20. What a pass. What a shot. Number 11. Good. Number 12. Si number 19. 4-3. Wala shot. Rebound number 7. Number 7. Permang. Lazy rin. No good. Nakuha ni number 15. Number 15. Pull up J. Basket. 3 minutes. Exactly.
Time out.
Number 1, Bison.
Shoot mo.
Bison sir, no. 15, umaabot, wala. Number 19, ginagambala. Pero, nakuha number 12, reverse, iluwa. Bison ulit, kanya ulit. Bison number 1, pinasa number 7, binibit. Number 35.
Good. Yeah.
Last 2 minutes. Number 15. Whoa. Wala. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds. Number 14.
Time out.
22. Pass to number 23.3. No good. Huli ka. Number 19, kawin ang bola. 19.3. No good. Kanya ulit. Isa ba? Gospel. Number 10. Last 40 seconds. 35 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Okay na daw.
Thank you po.